Hey guys, it's Naira. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. If you've been here before, you're kind of getting a little sneak peek right now, so I'm gonna try to like cover up what's going on behind me. I didn't film like a real intro for this video, so I just wanted to pop in and say hi. Thanks for clicking, thanks for watching. 84% of you who watch my channel don't subscribe. That's an insane number. So go ahead and subscribe, join the family. We would love to have you. Vlogs, makeup, fashion, lifestyle. I do everything over here, okay? I'm a jack of all trades. Today is going to be like a decorate with us vlog. Brandon and I are decorating and setting up the baby's nursery. So yeah, it is not 100% complete, but it's mostly done. And I wanted to bring you guys along. So let's jump into it. All right, so first thing I'm doing is I'm taking her sheets and I'm putting it on her crib mattress. These sheets are from Walmart. You can get them in store or online, I believe. I just got them delivered with a grocery delivery, so mine came from in store. And I'm doing that. And then I'm taking her extra crib sheets, bassinet sheets, and like crib blankets and putting it in that drawer at the bottom of the changing table. All right, so top drawer of her dresser is going to be her booties, socks, and hats. These little knitted booties and hats actually were made by my mom. She's so crazy talented. But yeah, I'm just putting all of her booties, socks, and hats in the top drawer. Now you're going to watch me have the absolute struggle of my life because I couldn't get the drawer back on track and Brandon wasn't there to help me. But when I finally did, I started putting all of her bibs in this second drawer. And that third dresser drawer is going to be all receiving / swaddle blankets. She had so many, to my surprise, so I don't even have to purchase anymore. I was really excited about that. And now I'm putting all of her little shoes at the top of her closet, just for now, because I still have to go out and get some baskets to organize. And then I'm putting a cute little blanket in her bassinet. And then we are going to watch Brandon start to sticker her wall. These little wall decal stickers are from Amazon. I will have the link in the description if you're interested in purchasing them. Guys.
Is this a vlog?
Yes. Well, I'm finishing the vlog of us decorating Rory's room today.
Oh, we're gonna get some more stuff?
I'm gonna try to, because I'm not sure Walmart will have everything. So we're on our way to Walmart because I hate when people on foot, on bicycle, or like on golf cart or something tell people in the car what to do. Like, I have the upper hand, buddy. Don't tell me to go.
I seen him waving. I was like, nigga, that's what I was doing already. Like, you ain't gotta tell me.
But we're on our way to Walmart because we have to get Walmart. Okay, to be transparent with you all, this is like the first couple of sentences I've spoken today, so I'm still a little scatterbrained. I like really did just wake up about 45 minutes ago. What are we going to Walmart for?
We're going for screws.
Yes. Okay, we're going for screws, dish pods, and then we have other stuff to get. And so I figured I'll bring you guys along with us. And I want to see if they have more crib sheets. And then if they have baskets for Aurora's room. And I need baskets for storage and laundry baskets. I'm going to look and see if they have some for her room there.
Oh, this would be perfect for the TV. I need some big ones.
The TV?
Yeah, the mount the TV holds up to 60 pounds. There's only 4
I didn't know we
these.
were mounting the TV. Okay, so we got a bunch of stuff from Walmart, but I'm just going to show you guys the stuff that pertains to like the baby and the nursery, obviously, because that's what this video is about. I got these storage bin baskets to go at the top of her closet. I got her a play mat for tummy time. I'm so excited about this. I think it's so cute. She got another bassinet sheet and crib sheets because I needed more. And we got her a little hand teether. I know it's a little early, but isn't it cute? So yeah, I'm gonna start putting this stuff up. The crib sheets and the bassinet sheets, like I showed you guys before, go in here. Could I have organized this better? Yes. Does it really matter? Not really. I'll probably open this up and put it out here in the corner for now. But first, I'm gonna put this basket, these baskets, plural, up in the closet. So as you guys saw, I put her shoes in that pink one, and then I'm gonna put her pacifiers, teethers in this middle one. This little play mat slash tummy time mat is so adorable to me. I don't know why. I don't know what it is. It's just like the most adorable baby thing I've bought in forever. I was thinking, I hope she's not loud. Cause I can imagine.
Go, ga, 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 ga.
I can imagine me on the phone right now. She in here screaming.
Go, ga, 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 ga,
Wait. If Aurora jumps like that, we gonna be rich. Do it again. If that baby jumps like that, she is an Olympian. All right, guys, so I'm in my office right now, but the nursery is not completely finished. I still have artwork to put up in her room, and I still want to get a few more things just to like decorate. But let me show you guys the progress that we've made together. I'm so excited. I'm over the moon, you guys. I'm over the moon. I cannot wait to meet this little girl. As you can see, I'm very pregnant and I'm very ready to push her out. But let's take a look at her nursery. I am so over the moon excited with the way that everything is looking right now. Like I said, still have finishing touches to put on everything. Still want to hang some artwork, but I love it. I think it's beautiful. Thank you guys so much for watching and decorating with us. I have another vlog to start and I have Christmas presents to go buy. Also, I've been saying this in all my videos now, 84% of you who watch my videos do not subscribe, which is just crazy. Go ahead and subscribe, join the family, and I'll see you in my next video. Mwah. Bye.